Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Facebook videos. Okay, this is super easy. Let's go to the video. Here I have already logged into my Facebook account. Then go to the video that you want to download. Okay, then first you need to make sure that the video is public. You can see video privacy, it is public. Then click on this share button under the video. You can see it here. Then click on copy link. Now video link has been copied. Then open a new tab on the browser. Then search Facebook video downloader. Then you will get results page like this. And here there are many Facebook video downloaders, but we need to go to this one, this fdown.net, or you can just go to this site directly by URL. It is fdown.net. Click on this. Then here you need to paste the link you copied previously. Paste here. Then click on this download button. Here you have two options to download the video. Download video in normal quality, download video in HD quality. So definitely you want to download video in high quality. Therefore click on download video in HD quality. That's it. Now you can see video has been downloaded. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.